These totes are being loaded to make their way to Southern California to help the victims of the wildfires. I'm your Nampa neighborhood reporter Keith Burrell, back at Resto Clean as the first wave of Love Idaho boxes are departing. A truckload of Idaho donations for wildfire victims in Southern California are helping homeowners who are still picking up the pieces. Nate Morris helped hand deliver those items like clothing, diapers, and even dog treats.
The reception was very warm, and I mean, they were all just very thankful, and they thought it was amazing that like the state of Idaho would do something like this.
After teaming up at the LA Dream Center in Los Angeles, 2 months after the devastating fires were contained, Idaho donations are reaching those in need.
We're looking at tens of thousands of people that have been impacted by this. And it is never, it hasn't grown tiring of hearing each of their stories. Every story is just gut-wrenching. It's just, how are they going to rebuild?
Major cleanup still exists, even for those who didn't lose their home to the fire.
We've been doing ash outs every day in the community, meaning that we're going to the burned properties at the request of homeowners and helping them sift through the ashes to try to find anything of value or sentiment.
Nate shared photos of ash and debris that even made their way into homes unaffected by flames. LA Dream Center will be hosting an event in April with resources on how to recover and rebuild. Nate and Resto Clean will be there.
They want us to come down and actually do a smoke and ash cleanup class for them. And so what they're wanting to do is get a bunch of teams together and train. They want us to train the teams on doing smoke and ash cleanup it'd be for buildings that aren't completely impoverished.
Once this California project, if you will, is done,
yeah,
what's the future of Love Idaho look like?
Yeah, that's a good question. We've already got a couple other businesses that would like to use the branding and the name, and I'm all about it. I think they can still funnel the proceeds through the Grace Center and use it for whatever they would like to use it for.
In all, Nate and Love Idaho sent nearly 200 totes in this trailer to those still essentially living at the LA Dream Center. From Nampa, I'm your Nampa neighborhood reporter Keith Burrell for Idaho News 6.